Tonight, we're gonna introduce you to one of the best party places in Southeast Asia.
Pub Street. Welcome to Pub Street.
Siem Reap, Cambodia is an unlikely setting for great nightlife in Southeast Asia. It's not a big city like Manila. It's not a tropical island like Bali. It doesn't have nightclubs like Seoul or full moon parties like Thailand. But what it does have is Pub Street. A long road dotted with pubs, lounges, restaurants, and cafes that starts getting crowded around 6 p.m. and stays that way until sunrise. This street is crazy! Far. I'm talking about 50-cent beers.
That's a big sip.
Loads of street food, night markets. Are you finding the backpacker pants?
No, I love the backpacker dress.
Dancing in the club. Hey. Live music. Late night massages, backpackers and tourists mingling with locals. And the best part? It's like this 365 days a year. Just walk down the street and you'll meet people from all corners of the world, both young and old. Where are you from?
Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Where are you from? Korea?
Oh, 안녕하세요. Everywhere you go, there's lots and lots and lots of booze. Let's get this party started. The nightclubs are outrageous. It's a Monday night and look at this place. Pub Street is also where you can find people selling bugs, a Cambodian treat. Cheers. So if you can work up the courage, you should try it. When your night is coming to an end, stumble over to a street food stall to get some fried noodles, or roasted chicken, or fried ice cream, and call it a day. We are on our way back to the hotel now. It was a really fun night on Pub Street, and even if Angkor Wat wasn't around the corner, it's still worth coming here for a once-in-a-lifetime experience. I'm Drewbinsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.